Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get this bloody text effects on Alight Motion. So if you want to create text that looks like dripping with gore and horror, this tutorial will show you how you can master the chilling bloody text effects using only the tools available in Alight Motion. So let's just get started. You can start by adding the text first. You can click on a plus button and choose text. Here I'm going to just write bloody text. You can change the font and the size to how you prefer. I'm going to go with this robot black italic, and I'm going to make the size bigger and change the color into red. So after this, you can just click on effects, add effects, scroll down and click on the text. Now choose the text spacing in here and then adjust the letter spacing into around 9%. Okay, add another effects in here. Click on the procedural and choose the fractal ridges effects. Now for the fractal ridges, here you need to tap on the evolution and then add a keyframe at the start, go to the end, and then set the evolution into 3. Like this. And now click on the scale and set it to 0.85. Scroll down again and set the intensity to 150. Now for the color one, choose red color. This one in here. And then scroll down again, and for the octaves, lower it to 1. Add another effects, choose the color and light, and add the soft glow effect, this one. So for the soft glow, click on the diffusion. Now set the diffusion to 0.80 and the color, choose red. And now for the blend, set it to around 20. And then the outer glow, make it 100. So you can just see the result. It will be like this. And you'll get the bloody text effects in Alight Motion. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.